And the criticism continues. Leaders across the community are blasting Senator Johnson's press conference. Mary Jo Ola is live with concerns health leaders and public officials are raising. Mary Jo.
Kara, local leaders and health experts are concerned that Senator Johnson is misleading people on vaccinations and how that could hurt efforts to protect communities against COVID-19.
Monday morning, multiple leaders from Milwaukee School Board of Directors, Common Council, and the County Board of Supervisors released a statement condemning Senator Ron Johnson's press conference, featuring those who say they had adverse reactions to a COVID vaccine. The medical community overwhelmingly has stressed the approved vaccines are safe and effective, and complications are extremely rare.
When Senator Johnson comes and talks about problems with the vaccination, it does nothing more than to discourage people. And that is irresponsible, it's reckless, and I wish he would stop.
Bob Peterson is the president of Milwaukee School Board of Directors. Peterson believes Johnson's actions will discourage vaccinations as schools work to bring staff and students back next fall.
We want them to be as safe as possible, and the best way for that to happen is to increase vaccinations in this community.
Dr. Jeff Potoff is an emergency medicine physician at UW Health and says it's important to recognize the individuals at the press conference are going through something difficult, but there's more to consider.
I think the hard thing is the question that cannot be answered at that news conference, and certainly isn't answered yet, is whether or not vaccines are actually causing those symptoms.
In a statement, Milwaukee's health commissioner responded to Senator Johnson, saying we should question the motives of an individual who refuses to be vaccinated, hosting a press conference attempting to debunk the safety and effectiveness of the COVID-19 vaccine. We urge Milwaukeeans to talk to people they love and trust, listen to the experts and science.
Now, all this friction comes as the more contagious Delta variant of COVID-19 spreads. Doctors say there is concern about how that will impact unvaccinated people. Reporting live in Milwaukee, Mary Jo Ola, TMJ4 News.
Yeah, that variant can spread quickly. Mary Jo, thank you very much.